this is called integer. This is called integer data type. Okay, and this is what it is, part of a class. Okay, because in Python is object oriented programming, so everything is object, class and objects, everything is class and objects. This is treated as an integer, as an object. This object is part of a class. Okay, class and objects. So I have used one function, that is type function, to know the which type of data this 5. Okay, suppose here one more data is that, suppose that is school is what, string type of data. School is string type of data. I told you that string type of data either can be kept in single quotation mark or double quotation mark, it doesn't matter. Single quotation mark what, school name is what, Chaitanya. This is a school name, but this is a string type of data. This is what, string type of data, that is kept under double quotation mark or single quotation mark, no issue. So now this Chaitanya is which type of data? It is string type, I told you that. So if you print, take a print bracket, take a print bracket type. Okay, this is school. Okay, now the answer, expected answer will be string, because I told you that this is what, Chaitanya is a string. So let us check that we will get the answer as this is string type of data. Okay, this Chaitanya is a string type of data, and that is part of a class. Okay, because this is a string, but interpreter understood that everything is an object. This object is part of class. Okay, so then now here one more function here, that is what, here one more function, that is called len function, to know how many characters, what is the length of this string. So there is one more function, that is len function. Print bracket, okay, len function. So len is a function. I told you that if any word after that brackets are there, that is a function or method. So if any word suffixed with the brackets, means it is a function, but if it is declared in a class, so it is a method. That is the difference between. So once it is a method, so that is to be accessed with the dot operator, either by class name, otherwise object name. So now print means I am requesting a print statement where on display, for what, len function used to know the length of this string. So you pass the value school, okay, school. So now you will get how many characters are here, total length will be given. So how many characters are here, first your print statement is length of school, how many characters, 9 characters are there, CH, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now if you want to put somewhat here, that is one string type of data here. If I want to keep some string type of data, length of school, okay. After that you put a comma here. So what happened here, this is a string type of data, okay, and this value will be 9. You are getting 9. So it looking somewhat, what is 9, we are not able to, what is 9, what is 5. So if you pass some string in front of that, we can simply understand that this 9 is what, this 9 is length of this school. Okay, so let us see what happened here. So length of school 9. Length of school, I think it is not looking well, na? So length of school, length of school string, that is a string. So length of school string, so 9 characters. Length of school string 9 characters. Then what, this is what, this value for what, 5. Then next print is what, this print x. So print x, this is 5. So instance variable, you write, you put a string here, instance variable, you put here single quote. String will be kept under double quotation marks, single quote doesn't matter. Okay, I told you that. Okay, so single quote, double quotation marks, value of instance variable, value of x, simply value of, okay, put a comma here. Okay, okay, next here you put id of x, id of memory address, we write here memory address of x, memory address of x. You need to keep this comma, is very important, otherwise you put some word plus. Okay, memory address of x. So now see, length of school string 9 characters. Okay, 9 characters. If you want to put 9 length of school here, if you want to keep some word string characters, okay, that is what length of school, put one comma here and under double quotation marks characters. So one more string will be added here. So length of school string equal to 9 characters. Okay, so another string added. Okay, so this is a string and this is a string. Here it will give the length of the school. Okay, try to understand. If you keep the plus also, I think it will be worked out. Let us see, it will be worked out or not. Concatenation of the strings. So it is not, because no, it is giving unsupported operand. Operand is what? Value. Operand means value. For what? For int and string. Because this length of school gives 9 character. It is an integer type of data. Okay. Type of operand means value. Integer value is 9 and string. So unsupported. This is string. This is string. This is string. And this is also string. If I want to keep this plus here, so same error it will give, same error. Why? Because try to understand that same can only concatenate string, not into string, because this is what? Integer, this is string. So concatenation means adding of strings. In programming, adding of strings is called concatenation. Okay, concatenation. So can only concatenate string to string, string to string. This is a string. Here this string is okay, but here integer is that. That's why in programming, to overcome this, you simply keep commas here. Okay, you simply keep commas. But in Java we need to give plus. Okay, let us see what is happening. It is executed. So this is 9 characters, one more string. Because now length of school string 9, it is looking somewhat awkward. That's why characters. Next is what? Memory address of x. This is memory address. So if we want to know if there is no any memory address of x, it is very difficult to understand what is this. Okay, so I am indicating that this is the memory address of x. Okay, next is what is this 9? The 9 is for what? 9 I have passed the value in constructor method. So this value passed to your init function, double underscore function. This is what your instance variable. Okay, value of instance variable 9.